Hello, everyone, and welcome to our presentation about the merger and division in the chemical company. As everyone here knows, our companies went through a recent merger between the chemical company and Charlie's Chemicals that happened now a little over 6 weeks ago. This merger happened, and in result of it, we are now a $2.25 million company, and we are continuing to grow. But as many of you know as well, our sales are down 55%, and that's kind of what we want to talk about today, why that's been happening in the company and what we'd like to do to change it. We've been having really unhappy clients, talking about the division that they've felt in the company and with certain employees that they've worked with, and which is alarming to us. But we want to talk about where we start. Where do we go from here? We believe that that's going to be only possible together to move forward from this point and make this merger into a successful one. Our goals are to make this company a family. People spend a lot of their lives at work. I think it's something like 90,000 hours in their life they will spend working. And so we want to make this job one that you like being at. We are a team. And since we're a team, you're only as strong as your weakest link. So everybody here has on our team has weaknesses and strengths, and we can all contribute to the team in ways and help where others have weaknesses, where we have strengths. So you are going to be the missing puzzle piece. It's only going to be dependent on yourself and your change to be able to make this merger work. So we want to ask all of you where you can improve. We would like to see personal growth in each of you, and we believe that that can have a great impact on our company. We think this will lead us to happy clients, company success and growth, and ultimately for you, your dream job. Thank you.